What's up, everyone? Y'all know who it is by now. There we are. Red Dragon Enterprises here. Just coming at you again today in the garage, having fun as always. I just wanted to finish up my propane tank mount. So I found a hand truck last week in my garage. And that is the latest addition to the propane tank mount. I figure I could mount the propane tank here, and as a fail-safe, a backup. Y'all know I'm about backups on backups. A platform to rest on. So between these two clamps and the platform to rest on, it's a nice little area for the propane tank there. I just put the hand truck on with 3 bolts. I still gotta secure them down yet. And this is the other one over here. Even if you didn't have propane or a propane tank set up, or if I didn't want to bring my propane tank into the field, I could use this to put a couple backpacks on. Like I say, it is not bolted down just yet. I just did this like 2 seconds ago. That still does come up, which is cool. If you need to store a couple extra things on there, like a large backpack, or I could always put like a backpack on top of the propane tank that's sitting right here. So that is what it looks like. The hand truck addition to my propane tank mount. On my CRV, that's what it looks like down. And then of course, on a hand truck, you can also move that there. I checked out a bunch of clamps online. They were expensive for propane tanks. Clamps and stands. Sometimes the stand is also the clamp. But I figured I could make something cheaper here. I think I actually have to undo that. Actually, I'm not too familiar. Here we go. We just undo the wheels. Why are you saying wheels like that? Saying wheels what way? Okay, I had to take the wheels out first, and then I could fold that platform out. So, pretty cool. Thought you guys might enjoy a homemade, cheap idea propane tank mount / backpack mount or gear mount or whatever the heck y'all need to bring out there. This is the Red Dragon. As always, subscribe to my channel if you like to make things and make things better. Oh, and more efficient.